Welcome all, my name is Kai, and this is a journey of solo travel, creativity, and thriving beyond 50. Here we celebrate freedom, healing, and the art of living boldly, whether I'm writing from the mountaintops or chasing sunsets by the sea. This space is all about embracing life, one soul-filled adventure at a time. Car camping and solo travel have taken a backseat for a while I'm pouring my heart into finishing my second book of the trilogy Gates of Pearl. But what I didn't expect was how much joy I'd find on the road with my family. On this trip, my daughter, my youngest granddaughter, and we drove from Atlanta to Tennessee and to Kentucky. Our first stop in Bowling Green is where I got a chance to visit my son and my grandchildren.
You didn't lift your car. He got 2 3s, so y'all better be careful.
Your honor.
Head, shoulders, knees, head, cup.
One of the highlights was donating a copy of my book to the local library store as a suggestion for one of my grandchildren, which is a small way for me to give back to the community who loves to read but don't want to pay for it. The next day, we headed to Lexington for my niece's wedding reception and reconnected with family. I don't get a chance to see them that often, so we're all spread out across the states, which makes it a little harder for us to connect. But when we see each other, it's very meaningful. And after a few days of my family's love, it was time to make the drive back to Atlanta, which ended up turning a 5-hour trip into a 7-hour trip due to traffic. I am absolutely celebrating the fact that my numbers have gone down, and they went down as a result of me deciding to change my diet. And I am so excited about that. My LDL went from 182 down to 156. So I got that thing down enough just with diet and more movement. And I am so happy. So it went down 14%, and that's a good thing. So my body obviously is responding to lifestyle changes, and I don't need medication. Okay, so there are people arguing in front of me at this little quiet, serene little spot. So I'm probably gonna have to move. I don't know what they're arguing about. I don't care. It's not my business. But I don't like to be in the presence of conflict that is not involving me. So let's get ready to move. Diet has definitely increased in fruits and vegetables and plant-based food more than anything that has like high cholesterol in it, and especially the way I prepare my meals. This spot is way better. Not for being closest to the water, but at least more peaceful and a little bit less congested anyway. I decided to stretch my legs, and now I need to take this out to put my hat on. Yeah. Okay. Now I can get ready to go. On a walk through a local park, I noticed how some parts of the trail were trashed. It was sad to see it, But then, just steps away, the beauty of the park reminded me why taking care of ourselves and the spaces around us really matters. Cute little trail. I don't know how far it goes back, but the fact that people trash it, yeah, that's an issue. Just take the fun out of everything. Wine bottles, beer cans, paper plates, trash. It don't make sense to me. Well, if you like this content, I'd appreciate it if you would choose to subscribe, like, engage with me in the comments. I love that the most. And come back for whatever I choose to share. Oh yeah, the air must come on. It is 77 degrees out now, so it's definitely warmed up a little bit, which makes it that much warmer in here. But yeah, it was worth it. In the meantime, everyone, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.